Outstanding design defines the 2021 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, power front seats, an outside temperature display, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.